Alright guys, so it's official. We have just purchased our first Corvette.
We still got our order.
We still have our order placed for the Z8. We're still thinking about that one, but look at this. White on red. Oh yeah. So how do you feel, babe?
Excited and nervous. Very excited and very nervous.
So this is our first of many, maybe?
Our first of maybe
two or three that are gonna be joining our family. So here it is. Corvette.
How do you feel?
I feel happy. I feel happy that you finally get to have what you've always wanted.
Thank you, babe.
So this is the interior. Automatic. So red seats, have a lot of space in the back. So nice.
And there it is. We are dropping off our car at TNT here in Mission. We're gonna be getting it ceramic coated and it'll be here for a few days. Last view of the car before it gets ceramic coated and possibly vinyl wrap. Here are the keys to the vet. I am going to install something today. It's been a while since I've been able to do anything to the car. We've even hardly used the car. The car's got about 1,100 miles on it. The only things I've done so far is ceramic coating, the window tint, fixed a tire. It got 3 nails in a tire. Other than that, no other changes. So this would be the first install of an actual product into the car. So let's get it started. dirty garage. So here's a little update on the car. So far what I've done to the car is ceramic coating, and it looks awesome. Look at that shine. Even though the car is dirty right now, it doesn't look bad at all. Or I don't remember if I mentioned it in the last video, but I've gotten window tint on it. Again, the ceramic coating, which looks pretty good. And I got a carbon fiber vinyl wrap just on the roof. Considering I'm doing the mirrors, not sure yet. Again, we haven't been able to really do much with the car given everything that's been going on. But well, this is one of the first ones I do here at home. Let me see if I can catch the mileage on the car. Can we? Yeah, it's got, let me see, 1,245 miles on it. Let's get started. There it is. I'm not too happy. I'm not too sure about these hoses right here. Instructions are very vague, so I guess let's try it out. See what happens. Worst case, we'll just put the stock items back on, and if that's the case, then I'm actually gonna need to replace one of the hoses. So let's hope that doesn't happen, and if it does, then well, I guess my vet's gonna be down for a few days while I get that hose in. I don't see any leaks anywhere. All the hoses seem to be pretty secure. That's our intake. I might have to do some cleaning up of these hoses later, but for now, that'll work. I still need to put the air dam over there. Let's go check for dashboard lights, engine light, anything like that. Focus. Well, that's good. No lights. No check engine lights. Nothing concerning. My hood's open, my door open, no big deal. But everything looks good. Hey, sorry guys, the lighting isn't that great in here, but that's not bad for my first little do-it-yourself work on the car. I've installed K&Ns before, just not on a Vette. I've installed it on pickup trucks. I want to say that those are a little bit easier than installing K&N intake kits on the Vette. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I like it. A few more things I want to do to the car. I'm considering a Corsa exhaust, and I am still working on getting the Z06 front spoiler and the side skirts. So that might take a little bit longer. I don't know, we'll see, but for now, K&N intake installed. I am just gonna install the air dam, and then we should be good to go.